Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and artistic, and it contains 100 creative and amazing stylish hand embroidered dresses, dress designing ideas specially designed for girls, and the ideas are extremely eye-catchy. The hand embroidery patterns used in the whole entire video are very beautiful, are very simple, they are very easy to make, and within an effort of 1 to 2 focused attention settings you can make the whole entire very beautiful simple neckline embroidery pattern. And the beauty of these designs is that all of these designs are highly trending, mostly in demand, decent and delicate. You can use these dresses for wearing into various reasons and various purposes, like you can use these very beautiful simple and stylish kurti neckline designs for wearing as your everyday casual outfits, as your decent and delicate stylish office outfits. For your summer dresses, you can wear these very beautiful hand embroidered, lightweight and comfortable, reliable, washable and durable hand embroidered shirts, kurtis. You can pair them along with your any type of bottom, like jeans. With jeans you can pair these as short tops, tulip shirts, peplum styles, and along with your tight capris, plazos, loose trousers, cigarette pants. You can make this medium length shirt, medium length kurti, or a full long length kurti. So if we talk about the hand embroidery stitches, then friends, very simple and very easy, very creative and artistic, beginners friendly hand embroidery stitches have been used to make these whole very beautiful patterns